Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Community Health Network for local care, full guide step by step clearly. Start by researching the Community Health Network in your area. Visit their official website to gather essential information. Look for the Contact Us section for direct communication details. Identify the specific services they offer that align with your needs. Check their location and operating hours to plan your visit or call. Reach out via phone or email to ask about available programs. Prepare a brief outline of your health needs before contacting them. Ask about registration procedures for new patients. Inquire about any required documentation for your first appointment. If applicable, learn about insurance acceptance and payment options. Consider attending community health events listed on their website. Participate in any online webinars or informational sessions they provide. Ask about support groups related to your health interests. Follow their social media channels for updates and health tips. Visit in person if possible to get a feel for the environment. Connect with healthcare providers they recommend or partner with. Always confirm appointment details a day prior to your visit. Reflect on your experience and any feedback you wish to share. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.